President Donald Trump has said that starting on Tuesday, the US will impose 25% tariffs on Mexico and Canada, and will double the tax recently put on goods from China to 20%. Trump has already announced a 25% charge on all steel and aluminum imports, and said he plans to introduce the same rate on all goods imported from the EU, arguing that the bloc was created to screw the United States. Then, there are what have been called reciprocal tariffs, where Trump plans to impose the same level of tariffs on a country that it has imposed on goods from the US, which are due to take effect on 2 April. In his first term, Trump wielded tariffs as a foreign policy weapon, using them to punish China and push the country's North American neighbors to renegotiate a free trade agreement. A little more than a month into his current term, the president has once more reached for his tariff toolbox. Tariffs are a central part of Trump's economic plans. He says tariffs will boost US manufacturing and protect jobs, as well as raising tax revenue and growing the economy. The White House said the president was also taking bold action to hold Mexico, Canada, and China accountable to their promises of halting illegal immigration and stopping poisonous fentanyl and other drugs from flowing into our country. Fentanyl is linked to tens of thousands of overdose deaths in the US each year. The Trump administration says the chemicals come from China, while Mexican gangs supply it illegally and run fentanyl labs in Canada. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said his country was responsible for less than 1% of fentanyl entering the US. Together, China, Mexico, and Canada accounted for more than 40% of imports into the US. In 2024, a 10% charge on all goods imported from China already took effect on for February. Trump later said shipments worth less than $800, 6 for 5, would be exempt. Beijing retaliated with its own tariffs, which took effect on 10 February. These include a 15% tariff on US coal and liquefied natural gas products, and a 10% tariff on crude oil, agricultural machinery, and large engine cars. China has repeatedly said it does not want a trade war with the US.